The Weebill-S seemed to answer all of my gimbal prayers, which is why I decided to put it to the test on my recent travels through Berlin, Prague and back to Cape Town. Fortunately, the Weebill-S can handle bigger and heavier loads than ever before and handled everything I threw at it. I was also very happy to see that the upgraded motors made hyperlapses and time-lapses better than ever. And of course, Vortex mode is still there if you want to get some really interesting shots. One of the things I loved most about the Weebill-S is that you can change all the settings directly on the device, which means going from fast-paced shots to smooth detail shots is super easy. One of my favorite shooting modes on the Weebill is the POV mode, which lets you get these really cool rotational shots. Being able to lock every axis makes carrying the Weebill from one place to another super easy. There are so many new features of this gimbal that I wouldn't be able to go through them all. But one of the ones to definitely take note of is the new wireless video system, which makes it possible to get shots that basically would have been impossible without it. That's it for my thoughts and views on this gimbal. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more like it in the future.